Okay, Ratchet. Here's the shrink ray. I'll get his attention.
You know, an instruction manual would... Yeah, should have seen that coming.
Oh, by the way, I will have to stand still during the shrinking process, so build a trap that will stop him.
Why do you think I can do this?
Y'all a mechanic, aren't you?
Yes, but I don't build stuff, I just repair it. Usually by punching. Okay, let's do this.
Ow! Yes, it's me. Listen to me. Calm down. You're not acting like yourself. No, look at what y'all done to the city. I know deep inside of you.
There's the monster. Let's ignore what this helpless citizen's saying and shoot it. And then run away. Yeah.
Ow! Drop it, winner, now!
Step 4, repeat step 2 in order to...
I command you not to drop your sister.
So I've been to 4 adventures as for now. If I multiply that by 10, which is how old I am in Longback's years, and then add 3, which is how many of us were in this, these 4 adventures, I get 43. I am the meaning of life.
Get out of there.
Hey! I was working on that. If my wrench wasn't a wrench by name, only I could have done that too.
We will bring Al back here. Ratchet, you will stay and fire the weapon when Edwina gives you a signal. We are getting close. I will be here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now, Ratchet, now!
It's not working.
Why didn't you put the shrink ray in SR ports?
You didn't tell me to do that.
Just do it.
I got it. Now let's put this in that SR port. Ah, scrap.
Is it ready?
Working on it.
Alright, hurry up. You have to turn it on now.
What did just happen?
Just give me that fixed holovid player back. And so, we saved Metropolis, reunited brother and sister, got our holovid player back, and we even got a discount at RoboShack. That's what I call a job well done.
Ratchet,
What? Al's got his normal size back after all. We can go back home with no remorse.
why do I even bother?